Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to set up TikTok Pixel ID. To set up TikTok Pixel ID, click on the link provided in the tutorial. After that, log into your TikTok account. Once you've reached this page, go to the Assets section and click on Events. After that, click on Website Pixel. Then click on Create Pixel. Here you can add in your pixel name. And then click on Manually Install Pixel Code. And then click on Next. After that, click on Standard Mode and then click on Next. Here, scroll down to the Complete and Set Rules button. And then click on E-commerce Events. Here you can choose which pages you would like to track. For example, if I would like to track only Add to Cart, I'll delete the rest of the options. And then I can add in an event name. And then click on Next. Once you have reached this page, you can add in your website URL. To add in your website URL, go back to the platform and copy your online store link. After that, paste it here and click on Update. Now you can choose your tracking method. And click on Save. After that, click on Complete. Now you can check your ID from the box over here, copy it, go back to the Shop Setup page, and then scroll down to the Tags and Pixels section. And you can paste your tag here. And then click anywhere on the page to save your changes. Thank you.